you kid yourself too much. You gotta lay it down, babe. You gotta learn that you did it to yourself.